In today's digital age, smartphones are becoming increasingly versatile and creative tools for expressing and editing our photos. One highly useful skill that can help you personalize your pictures and showcase your creativity is drawing on photos directly on your iPhone. Whether you want to add fun effects, create illustrations, or simply infuse a personal touch into your images, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of drawing on photos using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your phone. Select a random photo. If you want to draw on it, click on Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Now click on the pencil icon, also in the top right corner of the screen. The markup tool will appear, where you can choose various things like pens, markers, pencils, and others. Select your desired tool, adjust the line thickness and opacity, then tap the color wheel in the bottom right corner to change the color. You can now begin drawing or adding text, and you can even use the highlighter to emphasize specific parts of the image. When you're satisfied, tap Done in the top right corner, and then Done again to save all the changes. And there you have it. We've edited our picture to our liking. We hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.